Welcome back. All right, we're on a new adventure today. We got brother Colton there. He done just went and bought himself a CNC machine, and we got no clue how to run this thing. So you guys out there are going to be coming with us to go and pick this thing up, and then it's going to turn into almost a series of how do we run this thing. All right, so that's the fun. We got the boss man. He's driving. He's locked in right now. He doesn't really like the camera. Yeah, you can tell he's real hyped about this video today. Colton, you excited to get your new machine?
Hell yeah.
Yeah. All right, so we got to go over to the second location now. This was the first meetup spot. Now we have to actually go get the machine. Colton's hyped over here. He's real happy. That thumbs up says it all right there.
Oh yeah, there it is. There's one of them.
Yeah.
Guess everybody's coming to pick theirs up on the same fucking day. Express rental. Just barely fits in the back of one of those. Yeah. Pull it up and oh, here he is. Nice. Everyone got him in, or? Oh. Right, a little bit further in than that. Spindle area. This is what it needs to hold on. Yeah. This is fragile. This is not. Yeah. Hole saw. This bitch is hot.
Wait, when I measured it, I only had like 2 or 3 inches of clearance, and now I got like a foot of clearance.
Woo! Woo! Woo!
Hand me the.
Oh, it wasn't too bad. It was a pretty good lineup. It's hot. All the things not to bring. I did, in fact, not bring a hammer. I have pliers. Bag. Nice pair of Huskies. Good enough. We'll double check before we stick it in. Barely. Well, let's clear that hole out a little bit. Good. Sure? Good. Okay. Just want to make sure it's not resting on that. We're going to take those toes off, those toe clamps. We're going to slide them all the way out. Google is a friend.
Google is your best friend there.
Okay. All right. Can't get a good grip on that. At least let's break. We're attempting to.
You have to plug in with it?
No. Should release the C-brake at your quality. Oh, what the fuck? Can I get from the back?
Yeah, there's a cover in the back. You get a Phillips head screwdriver and unscrew this cover.
Yeah. That might be our best bet, so I can see what I'm doing.
VCX has had to drop immediately if the brake is manually disengaged without power or physical support.
Yeah.
Like a wood block underneath. Do not run the machine. So as soon as that Z-brake comes off, everything's going to fall.
Yeah.
We don't want that to just fall.
Oh, that's why I was standing there on the front side of it.
Yeah.
Well, that thing probably weighs 200 pounds.
What do we want to do then? Oh, I'm just going to bring them with.
What is it, Phillips? I just had a Phillips right here. Alright. Attention everyone. A lot of you guys ain't subscribed. So what are you doing? Subscribe. I need to hire a legit cameraman. My arm's getting tired doing this. Any cameraman out there, you know how much work, like, I respect any cameraman out there. You guys go through a lot of work doing this. You gotta be quiet the whole time. All the other people yell at you when you talk to the camera. Can't sneeze. You get yelled at for sneezing behind the camera. Can't do anything. Sit there and work. Be quiet. I'm being the cameraman. All my lovely fans out there can't see me. Cause I got so many fans out there. I know it. Everyone watching that here. Everyone watching this is my fan right now. How many screws were in that thing? Let's see, hang on. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 screws just for that one tiny. Alright, we got the machine all strapped on down. Colton, everything you wished of.
Hell yeah.
Everything you dreamed for. What do I gotta do?
Pull that up and pull it tight.
All right, so now we're gonna go home. We're gonna clean the machine all up, and then we gotta clean out a spot in the garage to actually put this thing, because we gotta know where to put this thing. We're back. We got this thing back home. It was a really sketchy drive getting here. As you can tell, we put a few more ratchet straps on there because never can have too many on this thing. I thought a few times it was gonna fall over a bridge. I thought it was going over. So I don't know how that would have went trying to get that back. But we're back, and I'm wondering if this is what being a YouTuber and being unemployed feels like. Just random Tuesday, you know, nothing else better to do than go get some cool stuff with the old man. Gotta get the brother in on it. So yeah, that's the fun. New videos coming out soon of this thing actually going to work and making some cool stuff. So I'll see you on the next one.